how you acting. Yes, I.
Nice view. Guys, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That's what Auntie D always says. That's so beautiful though. Oh my lordy. You lit for your birthday? What is it?
Hello. This is Void here for your room tour. I got several
Hi.
questions. How you doing?
Hi guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and in this video you will be getting a hotel room tour. And so let's just get straight into the video. We're gonna start off with the bathroom since it's literally right here as you walk in. I really like the tub, the shower. I like it because it's so modern. The towels are very nice and modern, so I really like that. I really wish that they had a tub, but I'm really a shower person, so it doesn't matter. Comment down below, let me know, are you a bath person or a shower person? Let me know. And then we have the toilet right here, clean and nice. We have it's like a vanity light, so you could just turn it on, and then bam! You can take mad selfies here. Clean mirror, all that good stuff. Like, I really like this. Thank you. Yeah, so I really love this bathroom. Like, when I have my house, I want my bathroom to have nice towels and such. So yeah, I really like it. So now, let me just show you. Oh, we have another mirror right here. So if you need selfies, Doodle Marla. Okay guys, so when you come in, you see the first bed right here.
Small bed.
That's Jafari's bed. And then we have our stuff right here. Sorry guys, but we just put them there. And we have like another, what do you call this?
It's a little sit down couch. You just sit.
Yeah, you can just sit down if you want to. If you have somebody over and you don't want them on your bed, like, you know what? You sit right there.
Over there for them too.
Yeah. And also we have this desk. You can work here. It's very nice. This chair is very comfortable. You can literally just sit down. Like, if I was working, I would just sit here. You have a light here. You could just
Actually be doing my schoolwork there in like any minute now, but yeah.
yeah. You could just turn the light on and do your work. I should just leave it on. Yeah. So I really like it. It's very nice and cozy. And you have a plug if you want to plug something in. I like they have the TV set up. You could actually take it out, right?
Yeah.
You could take it out if you want it out more.
Tilt it my
You
way or
could
your way.
tilt it, like if he's watching the TV only, or if I'm watching the TV only, you want it to face you, then you could do that. So I really like that about it. It also looks like a YouTube live. Anyways. And then you come over here, you have my bed. I'm not gonna go on it right now, but yeah, it's very nice and cozy, very comfortable. I like that about it. Like, you could just go in there and fall asleep. Yep. And they have like that's like a blanket kind of.
Extra sheets.
Like extra blanket in there. If you come over here, you have a closet. I have my jacket here, a sweater. Yeah, you can just hang up your stuff here. I like that they have iron if you need iron to iron your clothes. They have that. Also like that they have the iron board, so you don't have to iron stuff on your bed like, you know, a lot of people do when they're lazy like me. But yeah. You come over here, you get free goodies. So they give you tea, like different type of tea, breakfast blend or coffee. Green Mountain is coffee. Anyway, you could get hot water from this if you're not a coffee person and you don't want to put the coffee thing in the Keurig. You can get hot water from it. They give you free water, so I like that. Very nice of them. You also have a mirror if you're vain and you want to look at yourself all the time. Yeah. So that's nice. The lighting in this room is not the best, but is nice. You have a microwave here if you want to use the microwave. And you also have a refrigerator right here, a mini fridge. We just put like some stuff in there. But yeah, you have that. And then you have a light. You have many of these lights. Oh, also I like that this right here, if you can see me touching it, it's actually a light itself too. So you can, when you're sleeping, you can keep that on if you want to. It's very nice. This right here is just the heater. And then you have something like if you're sitting here and you want to eat, you could actually sit here and eat with this thing.
Like I was doing right.
Yeah, like your father was doing. And I like this view in the daytime. It's very nice.
Especially in the morning. Like,
yeah, when we just wake up and you look outside, it's very nice. Like I like that about it. And also you could put the blinds down if you want to. Like when you're going to your bed, you want to put the blinds down. And then when you wake up, you put it up and you're like, good morning. So yeah, that is the end of the room tour. I don't think I missed anything. So I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this mini room tour. I'll leave footages from the pool and what else? The gym. Maybe not. We'll see. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. The hotel is very nice. The people here are very nice and friendly, so I like that. They're very nice. Very, very clean. Oh, they even give you like free makeup remover. I've never seen a hotel give you that, so like that's a plus. So yeah, that's the end. You have anything to say, Jafar?
No, have a good day, guys. I'll see you later.
Yeah, peace out, guys. Guys, so now we're going to the pool. Is there anyone in there? Huh? Is there anyone in there?
No, that's what I'm saying.
So you need your key card to go in there, and they limited to 25 people due to COVID. It's open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's very clean and very nice. It's very hot though. It's very, very hot. So Jafar is just chilling. The pool. I want to go in there, but I'm not gonna go in there.
I got a short skirt if you want it.
Ah, no, I'm not going in there. It's just so beautiful. Say hi, Jafar. That's kind of like saying peace out though, but okay. Ooh, I like outside here. You can have nice romantic dinner out here. Unless you're single like me. Then you just eat with your friends or family. Yeah, it's very, very nice out here. Like, I like it. But guys, I'm living for the view. Listen, I'm coming back out here tomorrow and I'm gonna show you the difference between day and night, and you'll see. Cause listen, it's so nice. So far, I definitely recommend. So now we're gonna show you the gym. They have their rules over there like any other pool, but yeah, we're gonna show you the gym now. You need your key card to get into the gym as well. They got clean towels over there. They limit people. No kids under 16 is allowed. They have a lot of, they're taking COVID seriously. I like that. They have their wipes to sanitize, the hand sanitizer. Yeah. Why are you trying to be extra? How many pounds are those? 5? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Do one with both hands. Come on, let me see you struggle.
No. So they have different machines here that you could try. Treadmills. Yeah. I'm not prepared for that though. Like they have those balls. I don't know what they're for. Can you tell I never work out? I've never been inside of an actual gym. Don't be hurting yourself because. Wow. Can you grow up already, dude? Can you grow up? Yeah. It's very nice. This Jafar, come let me see what you could do on this. Let me see what you got.
Two, that's all I got.
Okay, go. That's 3. Yeah. Oh, you can see the leaves. It's so windy outside. Can you tell about the...
Marla.
Hey, look a boy. Don't play with me. But yeah, guys, that's the gym. It's very nice. Yeah. Let me
It's bringing you down, Marla. Get the 25. Get the 25. Come on.
You're pushing it.
All right, pick up the 20. 20. Go up 10 more. Give me 2. Give me 2. Give me 2. Give me 2. Come on.
Give me 2.
No. Pick up the 20. Come on. Give me 2 reps. Come on.
Like this? I'm gonna do it.
Okay. You could do it that way too. You could just bring it up. Yep. You bring your hand up, not like that.
Like this?
That's how you actually. Yes, that's how you work at my mic. My hand is here, crushed. My mic is here. You could do it with the 5 pound. Makes sense.
Woo, guys! Anybody strong like me? This is 50 pounds in Jamaican dollars. This is just
I don't know how we went from LBs to
dollars. Much less Jamaican dollars.
you know,
Much less Jamaican pounds.
you know. Hey.
I think that's a wrap, cause
Yeah, how heavy is the 30? Let me see. So I pick up the 35.
take up a 50.
50? I'm gonna kill myself. I can't do it like that, but I could.
Put it down. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I gotta swing it.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, this is heavy.
Wow.
Whoa. I just gotta make it even. If I did it on this hand, I gotta work this hand up too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I think that's the end of the tour. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of the tour. Thank you guys for watching the tour, and we will see you guys in the next video. Oh, yeah, let's just show you the washroom. Might as well, while we're at it.
I like how you need a key to
Guess laundry. I like how you need a key to get in, for real. You need a key to get in everywhere. So if you come and you run out of clothes, or your clothes dirty, or you have wet stuff you want to wash or dry, you could just use it there. You pay with coins. Yeah. Yep. So they have 2 washers, 2 dryers, and then you have soap, bleach, and softeners there, and you're good.
That's it.
So yep, that's a wrap. So end the vlog.
Well, guys, that will be it. That's the hotel tour. It was nice seeing you guys. Well, not seeing you. Well, it was nice showing you guys the room. And yeah, that's it.
We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.